Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable not allowing people to follow you in Reddit. So first you are going to launch the application or the website. You can choose which one you want to use, and then of course you need to log into your account, this is very important step. And then once you are here in the home page, you are going to find your profile icon. If you are using the website, you are going to find it here. If you are using the app, try to find this profile icon. You click on it and then you are going to choose settings, and then you will find yourself in this page. And here, as you can see, there is different sections. You are going to choose privacy, the third one, and once you do that, you will find yourself here in the first row, the social interaction. The first one is allow people to follow you, and here you are going to disable this one, and that's it. Now no one can follow your account in Reddit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.